Hi everyone, I welcome you back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by for today's video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this home DIY energy booster. This natural energy booster is very good to have first thing early in the morning because it will help to boost your energy system, and it will also detoxify your body system, and it also help with so many other benefits, especially in this cold weather, because it really helps for cold and cough in winter period. Consuming of this energy mixture have so many amazing benefits due to natural ingredients used in making of this drink. It helps to boost immunity, and it also helps to improve digestion, and it's very good to have first thing early in the morning to keep your body energized for a whole day for your daily activities. I will go ahead to drink the natural energy mixture. If you're having cold or catarrh in this winter period, this is the best thing for you to try early in the morning, and you will see a great difference, and the taste does not bad. To give this drink a try, so watch this video to the end to see all the natural ingredients I mixed together to come up with this natural energy booster. Here are the natural ingredients I will be using in this recipe. I will be using ginger. I will also be making use of lemon, and also I'll be using natural honey. At the end, I will add the last important ingredient. In a cup, I will add half tablespoon of grated ginger. Then I will add hot water. I will allow the grated ginger to infuse in the hot water for like 5 minutes. By doing that, it will also allow the boiling hot water to cool down a little bit. After like 5 minutes, then I will go ahead and strain the ginger from the hot water. So right there, I'm having a ginger water. Then I will go ahead to add the other ingredient. I will add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I will also add a little bit of honey. You can skip it if you don't like it, but I will just add a little bit of honey for its amazing health benefit. After mixing all the ingredients, I will go ahead to add the last ingredient, and that is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to reduce body fat, it helps to lower insulin and blood sugar, it also improves digestion, and it also helps for weight loss. This can be drink 3 to 4 times in a week. This drink is not for nursing mother and pregnant woman. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give a video a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that before. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.